Hello everyone, I am going to explain some questions from exercise 3.3 of 11th maths. So today we start from question number 12. We have to prove sine squared 6x minus sine squared 4x is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. So we will start here from the left hand side, and in left hand side sine squared 6x I wrote here, and this sine squared 4x I wrote here, and these two terms I introduced for myself, and with one term with minus sign and same term with plus sign. So students, orally if you see here, when you will do plus minus, they both becomes 0. So meaning is not changed. So without changing the meaning of sine square 6x minus sine square 4x, we introduced these two terms here to get the required result. So it's very crucial step and it's new pattern for you. That's why just take care of this step. Now between this first term and the second term, the sine square 6x are same. That's why sine square 6x take common. So here you are remain with 1, and here you will get only minus sine square 4x, because sine square 6x went outside as a common. Now here in these two terms, sine square 4x is common, but take minus sine square 4x so that this bracket should be like. Now here 1 minus sine square 4x. From 10th class we had done one identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now from there 1 minus sine square theta is the formula of cos square theta. I am repeating, 1 minus sine square theta is the formula of cos square theta. That's why 1 minus sine square 4x will replace by cos square 4x with the help of sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In the same way, 1 minus sine square 6x will replace by the cos square 6x, because student 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta from 10th class identity. Now here both term have square, so square will come as whole square, and here also both term have square, so bring this square as whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? A minus b, a plus b. So there are two brackets, in first bracket a minus b and in second bracket a plus b. So this complete is our a and this complete is our b. So a minus b, then a plus b. Now after writing them as a minus b and a plus b, we found that these terms are again in the form of sine x minus y. So what is x here? 6x, and what is y here? 4x. That's why these two terms I replaced by sine 6x minus 4x, because these terms are in the form of sine x cos y, then sine y cos x. Again these terms are in the form of sine x cos y plus cos x sine y, that is sine x plus y. So sine x plus y means sine 6x plus 4x. So 6x minus 4x is 2x and 6x plus 4x is 10x. That is our right hand side. So this question is completed like this. Now again the same pattern, we have to bring this result. So first I wrote this first term here and this second term here, and in between I introduced the same terms with opposite symbol. So whatever terms you needed, both terms as right hand product. You see here cos 2x and cos 6x. So cos square 2x and cos square 6x, once with minus sign and second time with plus sign. See in the previous question. In previous question the two terms are sin square 6x and sin square 4x. That's why sin square 6x and sin square 4x, once with minus sign and second time with plus sign. So if this pattern is now might be clear to you. To bring the required result, both the terms right hand product, once with minus sign and once with the plus sign, so that result it will be same. Now here take this cos square 2x common, we will get this. Here take minus cos square 6x, you will get this. Now this time 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, that's why sin square 6x. Again 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, that's why sin square 2x. Write them in the form of a square minus b square. Use a plus b minus b formula, you will get these two brackets. Now here again it is in the form of sine, because alternate sine cos and cos sine is coming. So it is the formula of sine x minus y. So here x is 6x and y is 2x. So sine 6x minus 2x, and this is in the form of Sin, because in middle plus sign is there, so it is in the form of sin x plus y. That's why 6x plus 2x. So 6x minus 2x is 4x and 6x plus 2x is 8x. That is our required result. I hope both questions are clear to you. And further, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment, and so that I can clear out your doubts. Thank you.